Have you ever wondered how we moved from trading goods to analyzing complex financial data sets? Welcome to the evolution of financial data. Let's wind back the clock to a time where our ancestors were engaged in the barter system, a straightforward exchange of goods or services. Imagine a world without a universally accepted medium of exchange, where a cow could be traded for a sack of grain, or a woven blanket for a clay pot. This was a world where the value of goods was subjective, and the concept of financial data was virtually non-existent. However, the barter system's limitations soon became apparent. What if you needed a cow but only had chickens to trade, and the cow owner didn't want chickens? This predicament led to the birth of currency. Precious metals like gold, silver, and bronze became the universal medium of exchange, providing a standardized way to determine the value of goods and services. And thus, the first seeds of financial data were sown. With the introduction of currency, financial systems and institutions began to take shape. The need to track and manage currency transactions gave rise to accounting and banking systems. These systems recorded transactions, kept track of debts, and stored wealth. The creation of these institutions marked the dawn of formal financial data. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we see the advent of computers. This technological revolution transformed the way we handled financial data. Manual ledgers were replaced by databases, and complex calculations that took days were now executed in mere seconds. Financial institutions started employing data analytics to understand market trends, make predictions, and drive strategic decisions. The sheer volume and complexity of this data were beyond human scale, but perfectly suited for the computational power of computers. From barter to blockchain, financial data has transformed dramatically. But what pushed this progression? The digital revolution didn't just change how we communicate, it transformed financial data. Once upon a time, financial data was housed in paper ledgers and physical files, a system that was laborious, prone to human error, and limited in scope. However, as the world started to shift towards digital, so too did the nature of financial data. The shift from paper to digital records was a game changer. Suddenly, data that once took hours to sift through could be accessed in a matter of seconds. The introduction of databases and software for financial data management marked a significant turning point. These tools gave us the ability to store, organize, and analyze vast amounts of data with incredible efficiency. But with this newfound power came new challenges. As we moved into the digital age, the sheer volume of financial data began to increase exponentially. No longer were we dealing with simple ledgers and balance sheets. Now we had access to real-time market data, complex derivative pricing, and granular customer transaction records. The complexity of financial data also increased. We began to see detailed patterns and trends that were previously hidden. This complexity was not just in the volume of data, but also in its variety. Financial data now came in numerous forms, from structured data like spreadsheets and databases to unstructured data like news articles and social media posts. This increased volume and complexity of financial data presented new opportunities, but also posed new challenges. Traditional data analysis techniques struggled to keep up with the pace of change. They were ill-equipped to handle the sheer volume of data or the complex patterns that were emerging. As financial data became more complex, the need for advanced analysis methods emerged, paving the way for artificial intelligence. AI, with its ability to learn from data and make predictions, offered a promising solution to the challenges posed by the digital revolution in financial data. And so, the stage was set for the next evolution in financial data analysis. In a world of complex financial data, artificial intelligence emerged as a game changer. As financial markets grew more intricate and the volume of data escalated, the need for a more advanced analytical tool became evident. Enter artificial intelligence, the superhero of data analysis. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a modern marvel that's been revolutionizing various sectors, and the financial industry is no different. AI's ability to handle vast volumes of data is nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine a world where millions of financial transactions, market trends, and economic indicators are analyzed in the blink of an eye. That's the power of AI. But AI does more than just crunch numbers. It uncovers patterns and generates insights that would have otherwise slipped through the cracks. From predicting market trends to identifying potential investment opportunities, AI is redefining how we interact with financial data. AI's influence on financial data isn't just about efficiency, it's about accuracy too. AI algorithms can sift through data with precision, reducing human error and bias. This leads to better and more reliable financial decisions, a cornerstone in this data-driven age. Yet, like all good things, AI's influence on financial data comes with its own set of challenges. The most pressing of these is the black box problem. Often, AI's decision-making process can be opaque, making it difficult to understand why certain decisions were made. This lack of transparency can be a hurdle, especially in a field where accountability is paramount. Another challenge is the ever-present threat of job displacement. With AI's growing capabilities, there are concerns that data analysts may become obsolete. But fear not, AI is not here to take away jobs. Rather, it's here to augment human capabilities, allowing analysts to focus on tasks that require a human touch, like strategic decision-making and creative problem-solving. AI has revolutionized financial data analysis, but what does this mean for data analysts? It means a shift in roles, from number crunchers to strategic thinkers. It means a world where data analysts and AI work hand in hand, leveraging each other's strengths to navigate the complex world of financial data. Artificial intelligence is not the end, but a stepping stone in the evolution of financial data analysis. As we look towards the future, the potential for advancements in this field is vast and thrilling. Imagine a world where systems can self-learn, self-correct, and self-improve, turning raw data into actionable insights faster than ever before. This is the promise of machine learning and deep learning technologies. However, this doesn't mean that data analysts will become obsolete. Far from it. In this new era, data analysts will play an even more crucial role. The role of the data analyst will evolve, becoming less about crunching numbers and more about interpreting and implementing the insights derived from AI. They will be the bridge between the machine's output and the human decision-makers, providing context and nuance to the data. They will also be responsible for training these AI systems, guiding them to look for the right patterns and make the right associations. Moreover, as we continue to entrust more of our financial data analysis to AI, the importance of human oversight becomes increasingly critical. We must remember that AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. It's susceptible to biases in the data, can make mistakes, and lacks the ability to apply ethical considerations. Hence, human oversight is necessary to ensure fairness, accuracy, and ethical compliance. And speaking of ethics, as we move into this future, we must also consider the ethical implications of AI-driven data analysis. Issues of data privacy, security, and consent are paramount. We must ensure that as we leverage AI to make sense of vast amounts of financial data, we are doing so in a way that respects individuals' rights and privacy. So as we step into the future, we find that it's not just about artificial intelligence. It's about how we, as humans, can work alongside these advanced technologies to create a more efficient and fair financial world. In essence, the future of financial data analysis is a blend of artificial intelligence and human ingenuity. The journey of financial data from barter to AI is a testament to human innovation. It's a riveting tale that we've explored today, and it's only the beginning. We began our journey at the dawn of financial data, where primitive barter systems were our first steps toward economic interaction. We saw how the invention of money revolutionized these systems, laying the groundwork for more complex financial structures and transactions. Next, we delved into the digital revolution and its profound impact on financial data. The advent of computers and the internet not only made financial data more accessible, but also infinitely more complex. This era introduced us to the concept of big data, a vast, dynamic, and intricate tapestry of information that continues to grow exponentially. We then explored the remarkable influence of AI on financial data. Through machine learning and predictive analytics, AI has the power to sift through mountains of data, uncovering patterns and insights that would be impossible for humans to detect. AI has not only revolutionized how we analyze financial data, but also how we make financial decisions. Looking ahead, we peered into the future of financial data analysis. We discussed how advancements in AI and machine learning will continue to shape the landscape of financial data, leading to more accurate predictions, smarter decisions, and unprecedented possibilities. We also pondered the ethical considerations and challenges that this future might pose. As we close this chapter, it's essential to recognize the importance of understanding this evolution. The more we grasp how financial data has evolved, the better equipped we are to harness its power and navigate its future. Every technological advancement, every shift in our approach to data, brings us one step closer to a future where financial data is not just a tool, but a guide, illuminating the path to smarter, more informed decisions. As we continue to innovate and evolve, one thing remains certain: the future of financial data is as exciting as its history.